Gleich daneben am Steg das restaurierte Segelboot Neptun, wenn es nicht gerade auf Fahrt ist.
Justo delante pueden ver la catedral St. Pierre.
1 hour boat am Steg
How long?
am
What's the
Weg
time?
sehen Sie
Oh
das
no.
Denkmal des Herzogs.
Check your phone. Look, Rolex.
Wir hoffen, dass diese
Let's wave at them,
Bootsfahrt für Sie
guys.
interessant. Wir wünschen Ihnen einen angenehmen Abend.
They waved at us.
Dankeschön fürs Mitfahren.
Ha ha ha.
Cuando amarremos el barco, a vuestra izquierda y entretenida. No se olviden de visitar
free
el
already.
recinto y los museos.
3.
Buena estancia en Ginebra.
It's like 1 hour. I remember when I was at his age, ecstatic. Hey, Miley. I'm going here.
You're stuck. Hello.
Oh, it's cold. Thinking of you. What you tell, hey.
Now we're going back to the flat. Yeah.
This is the walk.
Yeah. It's a bit of journey.
We're about halfway there.
Yeah.
Sort of. Look at these houses.
Nice people. Nice flat, nice cotton, and nice view.
The house over there looks fake.
Yeah. It's the fake house. Fake one, the one behind the tree.
30?
Tree.
3? Nightlife. So you can see the mountains.
We're gonna go there tomorrow. The mountain. We're gonna go mountain
Totes.
tomorrow.
Mamala, you don't have a L? R? Hi.
She's such an idiot.
What are you doing? That place looks scary, like you're going Narnia.
Someone might jump out from there.
Hey Molly. What are you eating?
Salad.
We made sandwiches. In the mountains. What are we doing? I don't know. Wanna fit me?
Go first. Go first. Quick.
Okay, fine.
So, who are you?
I'm me.
What are you doing? In where? You can do that in London as well. Why you come all the way here?
London.
Yeah.
What can you do in London? You take bus.
Feeling tired? That's how you know you're unhealthy, innit?
No one's healthy, you're fat.
Well, I'm not tired. You are the one that's tired.
I'm holding on to.
Wow, look at me. Measure my back.
That's scary. What are we on?
Let's finish this first and we are. I'm not in a rush. I want to watch.
I wonder if they have like that GoPro thing and then you can just record yourself on the sky.
They have to record me, man.
Same.
Oh, well, what am I paying for? Imagine they jump in, the wind is not like coming. This one is one person. That one is just like.
You can have two. Depends.
They're waiting for the wind.
Yeah.
It must be scary, you know.
Well, it is.
If it's first time.
First time's always scary, come on.
I think I'm done now. I don't want to record it anymore. I'm done one already, so I should be fine.
Dans les arbres, c'est amorti.
Oh my god.
It looks like he's in a cocoon.
Toi, moi je voyais route de
3 minutes just to get down.
Ich habe noch nie Fuß